One of the most popular ways to make money online is through freelance work. But there are many more. So you want to make money online. It's a common goal these days, with the rise of the digital age and the endless opportunities that the internet provides. But where do you start? How do you actually go about making money online? Well, I'm here to give you some practical examples and tips on how to do just that. One of the most popular ways to make money online is through freelance work. There are countless websites and platforms that connect freelancers with clients looking for everything from graphic design to writing to virtual assistant services. All you need is a skill or service that you can offer, a computer, and an internet connection. Sites like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer are great places to start looking for freelance gigs. Another way to make money online is through affiliate marketing. This is when you promote products or services on your website or social media platforms and earn a commission for every sale that is made through your unique affiliate link. Companies like Amazon, ClickBank, and ShareASale offer affiliate programs that you can sign up for and start promoting products right away. If you're more of a creative type, you can make money online by selling your own products. Whether it's handmade crafts, digital downloads, or even print-on-demand merchandise, there are plenty of platforms like Etsy, Shopify, and Redbubble that make it easy to set up an online store and start selling your creations to a global audience. For those who are more tech-savvy, you can make money online by creating and selling online courses or digital products. Platforms like Teachable, Udemy, and Gumroad allow you to create and sell your own courses on a wide range of topics, from photography to web development to personal finance. You can also create and sell digital products like ebooks, templates, and software that can be downloaded instantly by customers. If you have a knack for writing, you can make money online by starting a blog or becoming a freelance writer. Blogging allows you to monetize your content through advertising, sponsored posts, and affiliate marketing, while freelance writing gives you the opportunity to write for websites, magazines, and businesses in exchange for payment. Another way to make money online is through social media. If you have a large following on platforms like Instagram, YouTube, or TikTok, you can partner with brands for sponsored content, promote affiliate products, or even sell your own merchandise to your audience. Influencer marketing is a booming industry that offers endless opportunities for those who are willing to put in the work. And finally, one of the most passive ways to make money online is through investing. Whether it's in stocks, real estate, or cryptocurrency, there are plenty of opportunities to grow your wealth through online investment platforms like Robinhood, Fundrise, and Coinbase. Just remember to do your research and never invest more than you can afford to lose. So there you have it, some practical examples and tips on how to make money online. Whether you're a freelancer, affiliate marketer, creative entrepreneur, writer, social media influencer, or investor, there are endless opportunities to make money online in today's digital world. Just remember to stay focused, stay motivated, and never give up on your dreams of financial freedom.